Get the most out of your morning run wearing these cool sneakers by Newton. They feature a mesh and synthetic upper with a functional lace-up closure to give you a secure and custom fit. The mesh panels allow for breathability to keep you nice and cool, with a holographic Newton logo at the side that stands out and gives you added style. Inside there is a textile lining with a cushion collar giving your ankle support and removable footbed that is lightly padded to keep you comfortable all day. The lightweight midsole has some flexibility, making it great for all-day wear, and it's all on top of a durable rubber outsole that is grippy to keep you stable, with added support at the forefoot, giving you maximum performance as you run. Wear these with any type of athletic attire.